Let me go with the problem number 30. Find here what is the value of z in degrees in the given figure. So z by 6, z by 4 and z by 3 they are given here. We are supposed to find the angle of z, the value of z, right? We know that it is nothing but a, this is nothing but a 180 degree, right? Right, let us check out that. So let us simplify it. Z by 6 plus z by 4 plus z by 3 is equal to 180 degree. I take a LCM of 6, 4 and 3. So you start with 3, 3 2s are, so I can't divide 4, 3 1s are. Now I can start with 2, 2 1s are, 2s are 1. Now LCM of this 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM, right? 6 2s are 2z, correct? Plus 4 3s are, that is 3z, plus 3 4s are 12, right? 4z is equal to 180 degree. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9z is equal to 180 degree into 12, right? So z is equal to 180 into 12, that divided by 9. So simplified, z is equal to 9 1s are, 9 2s are, 20 into 12, which is nothing but 240. So value of z is 240. Now if you substitute here, you are going to get 180 degree, right? This is the answer. Z is equal to 240.